I'll take care of you.
I'll never break your heart in two. I'll take care of you.
Ikaw lalaki. Kinatatanggap mo ba siya maging kabiyak ng iyong puso habang panahon habang buhay? At ikaw naman babae, sigurado ka ba sa nararamdaman mo na tinatanggap mo siya? Uulitin ko, lalaki.
I want you to know
Tinatanggap mo ba si babae?
I love you so.
Nagtagapo ka mo lang ng picture.
You're mine.
Bakit? Bago na ba ang isang niyo? Ha?
I said it once
Buti na lang di ko nakunan.
You'll be in my heart till the end of time.
Bakit? Yan na ba ang isang niyo ngayon? Ha?
Don't be sad, don't be blue. Just count on me, you're all I do. But I'll take care of you.
At siya pala nabating.
Hindi po ako sa Richard. Ako po si Joseph.
Pagkalimot lang isang buwan, bago natin so.
Ay!
Alright, I want you to know that I love you so. And why you tell the world you're mine? I've said it before, I said it once more. You'll be my heart to the end of time. I'll take care of you.
Inuulit ko, lalaki. Tinatanggap mo ba yung babaeng yan?
Don't be blue, just count on me your whole life through. 'Cause I'll take care of you.
Bago natin sa sila ngayon. Saka di mo napasok na. Si Joseph tumaba, si Boy pa ba yan?
Ano daw?